What's up, Giant Family? Stop what you're doing right now and head on over to our Giant Family YouTube channel to get entered into the 1K giveaway that we have going on right now. In 3 easy steps, you can get your name entered, and that's one step closer to you becoming the winner of this blind giveaway prize. 1, subscribe to the Giant Family YouTube channel. 2, like the first video that was posted, which is of FanPole. And 3, comment Giant Family or Defining Greatness on that video for 1 entry into the giveaway. Now, if you do end up purchasing a FanPole, then let us know, and that's 5 extra entries into the giveaway. So go ahead and head on over there and do that right now.